How to combine text and image in Canva. First, go to Photos and type Jumping Lady. Add a photo to the canvas. Then click Edit Image and BG Remover. Adjust the photo's position and duplicate it. Click the duotone effect and apply a custom effect. Change the highlight color to black. Then click the blur effect. Select the whole image option. Make the blur 50%. And reduce the transparency to 50%. Send the blurred image to the back and adjust its position. Click Texts and add a heading. Then type your first letter and increase its size. Choose your font and adjust its size. Change the letter's color to a very soft orange. Click Effect, then Shadow Effect. Set the transparency to 80, the blur to around 50, the direction to around 90, and the offset to around 50. Change the shadow's color to black. Now, duplicate the letter and add your next letter. Adjust its font size and position, make it uppercase, and send it backward. Duplicate the text again and repeat for all letters. Adjust all letters as needed. image and crop it from the bottom. Adjust the cropped image, then duplicate the image again. Crop it from the left side and adjust. Change the background color to match your design. Your design is now ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. If you have questions, leave a comment.